Hello students, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss the question answer of lesson number 5. Okay, for what disease can yoga be a therapy? First question, for what disease can yoga be a therapy? कौन सी डिजीज में योगा को एज ए थेरेपी यूज किया जा सकता है वो हमें एक्सप्लेन करना है. तो द आंसर इज we all know that yoga is good for everyone. Currently yoga is being used as a therapy for cancer, infertility, lung disease, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson disease, insomnia, high blood pressure and joint pain. ये उन सभी डिजीज के नाम हैं जिसमें योगा एज ए थेरेपी एज ए ट्रीटमेंट यूज किया जा रहा है. ओके, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. विच डिजीज आर कॉज्ड बाय स्ट्रेस? स्ट्रेस रिलेटेड मेनली डिजीज कौन सी है और उससे रिलेटेड क्या है? तो आंसर इज medical research estimates that as much as 90% of illness and disease is stress related. A few of the many disease and conditions that have been linked or connected to an overactive stress response include cardiovascular disease, depression, anxiety and some type of diabetes. Okay, this is the answer number 2. Now we are moving to the third question. What is the reaction of our body in the fight or flight system? जो fight or flight system है उसका reaction हमारी body में क्या है? तो the answer is what we feel as a stress is the product of sympathetic nervous system or the flight or fight response. An almost instantaneous surge in the heart rate, cardiac output, blood pressure, sweating, shallow breathing and metabolism combined with the tensing of muscles. This is the question number 3. Now we are moving to the fourth question. राइट द मैन हैजार्ड्स ऑफ स्ट्रेस. हैजार्ड्स यानी खतरे, हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स. तो जो स्ट्रेस है उसके मैन हैजार्ड्स क्या है? व्हाट इज द राइटर सेइंग? द राइटर इज सेइंग फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म स्ट्रेस इज गुड फॉर आवर बॉडी बट लॉन्ग टर्म कंटिन्यूअस एक्सपोजर टू स्ट्रेस इज हार्मफुल, प्लेसिंग excess wear and tear on the body system and severely limiting the body's natural maintenance and healing abilities. Okay, this is the question number 4. Mostly सभी questions के आंसर बुक में भी है. Why is cortisol good for our body? cortisol जो एक हार्मोन है वो हमारी बॉडी के लिए अच्छा क्यों है? Yes, but chronic means continuous stress can lead to continuously high level of cortisol. This hormone at normal level helps to maintain an active healthy body including regulation, metabolism and blood pressure. This is the question number 5. Now we are moving to the 6th. Describe the impact of the high level of cortisol on our health. जो cortisol का high level है उसका हमारे health पर क्या effect है? Excessive amounts of cortisol can suppress the immunity system and cause sleep disturbances and loss of appetite. High levels of cortisol can also increase our heart rate, blood pressure and our cholesterol and triglyceride levels that may be a risk factors for both heart attacks and strokes. Now we are moving to the seventh question. How can parasympathetic nervous system be activated? पैरासिम्पैथिक नर्वस सिस्टम को कैसे एक्टिवेट किया जा सकता है? The parasympathetic nervous systems becomes activated when the threat or stressor has passed or ended, but it also can be consciously activated by deepening the breath and by relaxing the skeletal muscles. This is question number 7. What is the result of rest or renew in our body? Rest और renew क्या क्या मीनिंग है, क्या रिजल्ट है? The relaxation response is also known as the rest and renew stages when the body has the time and resources to heal the body and to respond to illness. Okay, this is the question number 8. Question: what is the important for the promotion of long term health? Yoga is very important for the promotion of long term health. Describe the main components of yoga practice. उसके main components क्या है? We can say there are many postures in yoga, but especially pranayam, the breathing technique, and meditative exercise dhyan are the main components of yoga practice. What does the practice of yoga encourage? Yes, but the last question. Yoga emphasis on deep breathing combined with back bends improves lung capacity and function. Practice yoga also encourages one to lead a healthier lifestyle through developing the self-awareness and discipline required for positive behavior and modification. These are the questions of lesson number 5. That's all for today.